Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open phone application, then tap on three dots here, go to its settings, and then go to the blocked numbers. Tap add a phone number, and here you have to manually enter number which is bothering you. Then tap tap block, and after that this number will never reach you again and won't bother you anymore. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.